hear the word crime, most of us immediately think of theft, murder, or other violations of the law. But crime is not just a legal term, it's also a social phenomenon, meaning it is something that exists and develops within society, influenced by human interaction, culture, and social conditions. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a very important topic in criminology and social sciences. I call it crime as a social phenomenon. So, what is really the meaning of social phenomenon? A phenomenon is an observable event or occurrence. If we say crime is a social phenomenon, we are saying that crime is not just the result of individual behavior, but also the product of social, economic, cultural, and political factors. For example, in communities with high poverty, unemployment, and lack of education, crimes like theft and robbery tend to be more common. In societies with political instability and corruption, crimes like bribery and fraud may become widespread. Even in cultural beliefs and traditions can influence what is considered a crime in one society, but may not be seen as crime in another. This shows us that crime is deeply connected to the structure of society. We call it a social phenomenon. Crime is not something that happens in isolation. It affects everyone. It disrupts social order, creates fear, and challenges the rules that keep communities safe. At the same time, society also reacts to crime by creating laws, punishment, and systems of justice. In short, crime is like a mirror that reflects the problems within a community or a nation. It reveals inequalities, conflicts, and weakness in our social systems. What are the different perspectives that explain crime as a social phenomenon? Future criminologists, are you ready to take your skills to the next level? Introducing Power Practice, your ultimate companion for the criminology licensure examination. Why wait for fourth year? With Power Practice, you can start building your confidence as early as your second year in Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Packed with practice questions, key concepts, and test-taking strategies, this material helps you boost your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and gauge your readiness for the big day.
Whether you're preparing for a class, major exam, or the ultimate challenge, the licensure exam power practice has got you covered. Interested individuals can avail of copy by texting 0955-0058-271. What are you waiting for? Grab your set now and start building your future. Remember, if you plan to win your dreams, start planning and start now. Power practice early. Think smarter, pass with power.
The following are the different perspectives explain crime as a social phenomenon. Number 1. Sociological perspective. Crime happens because of social structures, peer pressure, poverty, or weak family ties. Number 2. Psychological perspective. Crime is influenced by personality, emotions, or mental state, but still shaped by social experiences. 3. Economic perspective. Many crimes are driven by material needs, inequality, and the gap between the rich and the poor. Number 4. Cultural perspective. Some crimes emerge because of tradition, subcultures, or different values in society. Are you still searching for the true meaning of happiness? Do you ever wonder why so many people feel trapped by beliefs, routines, and the struggles of the present world? Introducing The Secret Book of Happiness. This is not just another self-help guide, it's a powerful revelation. Inside, you will discover how humanity's beliefs about divinity shape the way we live today, how the present realm has chained us to endless suffering, and most importantly, how you can break free, uncover your true self, and step into a life of purpose and fulfillment. This book will guide you to shift your perspective about the world we live in, discover who you truly are, and awaken your hidden potential. Prepare yourself through life-shifting exercises, unlock the pathways to your dreams, and enjoy your own authentic happiness. The Secret Book of Happiness is more than just a book. It's your key to transformation. So what are you waiting for? Grab your copy now and begin your journey towards true happiness. For orders and more information, text 0955-0058-271 today. Don't wait another day to start hunting your happiness. The Secret Book of Happiness. Discover who you are. Unlock the life you deserve. Before you leave, have a review by answering some of my fill-in-the-blanks pop quiz. there you have it, folks. If you want to know the answers to my pop quiz, just make your comments, share this video, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.